wacha overthink. Hebu imagine ni best yako. Hebu imagine ni best yako. Ataki wakati ya wakala.
The ground was not stabilized.
Sana hii Kongo chini imeenda magoti ya simu ikianguka itamonga ile hiyo yenye inalia
gari na unajua kamera inaenda hapo kwa control.
My name is Salome Modhoni Wainaina, and I'm the CEC in charge of lands, housing, physical development at Kiambu County. And we received a call this morning about a building in the Thindigua. We're in the Thindigua right now that is sinking, and we involved a multi-sectorial team, as you can see. from the security team. We have NCA here, we have NBI, and we've also got our team from the county. So we needed to establish what exactly is the problem, and we have discovered that this building started showing signs of sinking about 1.5 weeks ago. And we've had a session where we have talked to the developer, and we appreciate that the developer was cooperative and has been cooperative. The engineer who was involved in this project was also present, and they have also been able to give us their statement. From the county, Kiambu County side, we do have the approvals for this development. This development has been in existence for the last 10 years, and there are about 40 families that are 40 units that are occupying this particular area, this particular development. But what we have decided for the safety of the tenants, we've reached a decision in conjunction with the developer and the other security teams that are here, that all the tenants should vacate the houses today to prevent any incidences, while our engineers who are on the ground are investigating to find out why the building is sinking, and we should be able to get a report of what is causing this problem in the next day or so. That is correct. This directive was given by the President of this country, and His Excellency the Governor of Kiambu County ordered that exercise should begin, and it began on the 20th of February. And initially the exercise was to be done for 90 days. But as you are aware, we have very, very many buildings in Kiambu County. And what we did is that we divided the county among 4 clusters. And so this would be one of the clusters. We have a team that is doing this exercise in Limuru. We have another team doing this exercise in Thika, Gatundu North, and Gatundu South. We also have a team in Kabete, and now we have this team that covers Kiambu and Juja and Ruiru. And this team comprises not only of the county, Kiambu County staff, but also all the security teams of Kiambu County, the NCA, the NBI team. So it is a multi-sectorial team. Now what we have been able to do is that our focus mainly has been on the buildings that are coming up, to ensure that the buildings have got proper documentation, and to ensure that the developers that are constructing right now are complying with all the requirements of building. Eventually we will also move to structures like this that have been in existence for some time, because our intention is to ensure that all developments are actually safe for the occupants and for the people that live in those houses. And this, we normally, since this exercise is done weekly, at the end of every week we normally get an indication of all the buildings that the engineers should go in and start the exercise of ensuring that they are compliant. Where need be is that we have asked the tenants to vacate, like we have done today, and to ensure that the developer and his team, including the engineers, they're instructed. And before any tenants move back into those buildings, we ensure that our team goes back to confirm that the things that was agreed that need to be done in those buildings is actually done. It's very, very important to ensure that our residents are safe. It is very unfortunate when we lose lives, and even when a developer, because this is a big investment that you can see. If anything was to happen, you can imagine the investment the developer has put into a development like this. So it is very, very important that we comply as a developer and do the right things.